Hello, good day. Let's take a look at these questions. So for x in the equation, log x to base 5 is equal to 8 log 5 to base x plus 2. Here we can see that the base on the left hand side is 5 and that of the right hand side is x. So the bases are quite different. So all we need to do is to do some transformation uh, to the log on the right hand side, which is log 5 to base x. So we can definitely change log 5 to base x to another base, say 5, so that to accommodate the log on the right hand side, which is log x to base 5. And this can conveniently be done by saying 1 divide. To change this log to base 5, it simply means we can write it as 1 divide log x to base 5. Okay, so here we quickly replace this one as log x to base 5 is equal to 8 into 1 over log x to base 5 close bracket plus 2. Then this become log x to base 5 is equal to 8 divide log x to base 5 plus 2. Then we will let, for us to proceed further, we'll let log x to base 5 is equal to p. And if this is done, this becomes p is equal to 8 over p plus 2. Here, there's a fraction here already. We need to remove the fraction by multiplying through by the LCM. P times p gives p square. Then p times 8 over p give us 8p. Then 2 times p give us 2p. Then we need to collect like terms by shifting all this to the right hand side. So by adding minus 2p minus 8 to both sides, and this becomes p square minus 2p minus 8 is equal to 8 minus 8, then 2p minus 2p, this becomes 0. So here we can use factorization method. Using factorization method, we have we multiply the term containing square by the constant term, and this becomes minus 8p square. Then let's find all the factors of 8p square. One of it is p times minus 8p, and the other one is 2p times minus 4p. Okay, here we look at which of these two factors, 2p and minus 4p, p and minus 8p, if we add it, it gives the minus 2p, which is the middle term here. Okay, so here the covenant one is 2p minus 4p, that will give us minus 2p. So we replace the middle term with in place of minus 2p with minus 4p plus 2p. So this becomes p squared minus 4p plus 2p minus 8 equals 0. Okay, so here we factorize here the shorting factor between p squared minus 4p is p. This becomes p into p minus 4 close bracket. The shorting factor between, or the common factor between 2p and minus 8 is 2. So this becomes plus 2 open bracket p minus 4 close bracket equals 0. So it becomes p minus 4 into p plus 2 equals 0. So that p is equal to 4 or minus 2. Now we said initially that our question asks we find x, but we said let log x to base 5 is equal to p. That means that x, from definition of logarithm, x is equal to 5 raised to power p. So log x to base 5 is equal to p. So here the transformation here means s is equal to 5 raised to power p. So when p is equal to 4, s is equal to 5 raised to power 4, which is 625. Now let's look at when s is equal to minus 2. X here is equal to 5 raised to power. When p is equal to minus 2, s is equal to minus 5 raised to power minus 2 is equal to 1 over 25. Now we can also check to see whether if we are absolutely correct. Now from the left hand side, we see that log s to base 5, but s is 5 raised to power 4. This becomes log 5 raised to power 4 base 4. Transferring this 4 back here, this 4 log 5 which equals to 4. Then let's look at the right hand side, which is 8 log 5 to base s plus 2. Here we need to do some transformation on log 5 to base x. So we say let log 5 to base s equals to u, so that 5 raised power 5 is equals to s raised power u. So when s is equals to 5 raised power 4, this becomes 5 raised power 1 on the left hand side, because 5 raised power 5 is the same thing as 5 raised power 1. Then on the right hand side, in place of x here, we put 5 raised power 4 multiplying u. That is 5 raised power 4u. Now if we equate powers, we see that u is equal to 1 over 4. Here we put it in place of log 5 to base x. This is 8 times 1 over 4 plus 2 is equal to 4. So you see that the left hand side and the right hand side, they are the same. So this is the appropriate method for resolving this kind of equation if the base are not the same. Please see you in my next version class. Have a nice time.